Let the Attorney General make a statement that others also have an agreement like I have an agreement.
Of course, many of them have.
Let them make a statement.
Many of them
my lords.
have.
Let them make a statement. I am the first one with whom they entered into this agreement. I set up the plant. It is my investment. 200 crores is still due from them. The amount they are to lift ethanol.
We have to decide.
Why this
One reason is 20% ethanol petrol blending is something which the government is now trying to experiment. So tomorrow, next year, October onwards, probably the demand will go up, and it may go down.
Yes.
Well, judgment is both wrong.
Will it affect the others who have been given the...
Nagpur matter pending, there's a Patna High Court matter pending.
We want to know.
We're asking for transfer.
What is the effect of this order?
The effect of the order is there are about 75 other similarly placed people.
Yes.
Now we have to undo the allocation for all of them.
You file a response.
But they have to go to the DB.
Yes.
It's a single judge's
I'll
order.
cite any number of judgments. Your Lordship's allowed leapfrogging.
Please.
Now today what's happened is used to petition Nagpur and we are filing a transfer petition.
Yes.
They have to be transferred here.
In the first round, they went to the division bench, which came up to before
does
your
not
lordships.
matter.
An order was passed in the interim round. In the fine, and your lordships directed that let the single judge
All right.
decide it.
See, if you want them to go to DB,
Yes.
we will send them to DB, but we will stay till the time.
But how can it
People
be state
not to
laws?
do
In the
that.
meantime,
The
Lord,
reason why we have come here is very
respect,
important.
Lord, that can't
With
be.
due respect to you,
Lord,
we
they
find it-
bypass a remedy which is provided
There are
for.
your Lordship permits bypassing occasion.
I think both of you know law pretty well.
No, I wouldn't have had a
In a
problem.
matter like this, see,
Kindly see, my lords, I'm
yeah,
only,
how can we pass a mandatory injunction like this?
it's a consideration, it's not mandatory.
Yeah, prima facie, I am not able to.
Let's kindly consider this. Please see that order of the Supreme Court, page 458 for a moment.
What legal right do you have, sir, in this? Please tell us. What legal promise you can say to us?
Me.
Very sorry.
Kindly consider it, my lords. I have who have invested the money. Lord, I am only saying this. If in the
The
first
choice is yours. You filed a transfer petition also.
no, there's no
we are
transfer
fine
petition.
because Nagpur matter, Patna matter was being heard yesterday. We told them the matter is being filed here today. We will place a transfer petition as early as possible. Nagpur matter is before a division bench. So we need to transfer them here and they will have.
There is.
Given by the High Court, kindly turn to page paragraph 34.
129. Yes.
It's for consideration.
Before that, kindly turn to paragraph 34. As I said, particularly clause 6.8 needs an interpretation by this court because now for every year ethanol blended petrol, what demand will have and how people will supply, it's going to be a matter. Your Lordship.
The intra-court appeal is there.
Yes, my lords.
What we will do is that we will give you time and we will maintain status quo. You can go on intra-court appeal.
No, Your Lordship, why? Otherwise I would have probably gone to the division bill.
Yes.
I say because the Nagpur is before a division bill, Patna before a single judge. And all petitions, there are about 8 petitions before Patna High Court, similar petition before the Nagpur bench. We need to, unless no matter the heard, your Lordships.
Let the Attorney General make a statement that others also have an agreement like I have an agreement.
Of course, many of them have.
Let them make a statement.
Many of them
my lords.
have.
Let them make a statement.
Everybody is asking for the same, will you respond in here?
Transfer petition first. They never filed this TP when the rate was being argued.
Petition.
Your Lordship, please.
When do you
We'll file it in a day or two.
No,
We are
I have something to
processing it.
say.
We
Now,
don't need
please
to
see
file it.
page 458 for a moment. It's in the second volume, page 458. Please see, my lords. This matter had travelled to your Lordship's court at the interim stage.
That's correct.
From the division. Your Lordship's court at 458 directs, let the single judge decide the issue. That had come from the division bench's order also. Now, for my learned friend to say there was no transfer petitions filed, those petitions were pending even at that particular point in time. All that time passed away. Now, because the
You can't
contract
have a
gets-
benefit of all that.
Just 1 minute. Now, because the tender gets over, period gets over in October, this is just to delay till October because the supply period is from November till October.
That's
So
your
that-
concern. Our concern is my concern.
So therefore, my lord, what is fallen from your lordships, that we'll maintain status quo that your lordships will direct. Let them go back to the DB. Why bypass the DB if they've gone to the DB in the first round, my lords? I can understand if they
Well,
directly
then, see,
came.
now we'll do one thing. Subject to hearing you.
Your Lordship.
See, now we'll give time, no problem. We'll give section. go for the DB without prejudice your transfer petition being
No, my
filed
only
before.
concern is, I would have
Our-
normally
they
gone
will
before
say
the
that
division.
our order will not have a bearing
Would
on the
have
transfer
normally
petition.
gone before the division
As of
bench, we would
today,
not have
somebody-
bypassed that. But the only concern is, if those two petitions are not pending before different high courts, they are asking for the same relief.
It may be.
If they ask, so I have to go before each high court and say, please don't issue a mandamus, and then get an adverse order and get a
all right.
favorable order.
It's all right.
Therefore, this is a matter which
It's a
requires the national
constitutional
policy.
matter, then we will see, you file the appeal, then let's possibly go on and till the transfer petition is filed. We will also say the transfer petition will be decided on merit without being a reference to the order passed by
Your
SBI.
Lordship, therefore, will not admit me back to the division bench as of now. The transfer petitions are filing in the process. Therefore, give me 1 week time, we'll get the transfer petitions filed here. The matter be heard immediately thereafter.
From 26th February, no transfer petition.
We'll take the transfer petition, we'll decide it
That's
now.
right.
We'll
But
let
meanwhile-
the-
Kindly
In the
see
meanwhile-
why this transfer petition is only a bogey. Because
Please
from
don't say that.
26th
There are
February.
petitions pending in the High Court.
Learned friend, may permit me to argue at
Yes.
least. 26th February 26, when your lordships passed this order, till now when the impugned order is passed, no transfer petition. When those petitions are pending, now because if your lordships are to remit this back, they require some sort of a stay. Your lordships are maintaining status quo.
See,
Now
that's it.
200
The
crores.
reason is.
I can show on
We
merits.
want to say at least some adjudication should take place at least for High Court once. So, but we can't say that order cannot be a ground to decline the request for transfer petition, which is be decided on its own merit.
Because I'm saying this, I am the first one with whom they entered into this agreement. I set up the plant. It is my investment. 200 crores is still due from them. The amount they are to lift ethanol.
I'll answer every aspect
My
of it.
lords, if my learned friend has to permit me.
Certainly.
The agreement, my lords, if your lordship sees page 239. Does the agreement, page 239, is an exclusivity contract. I can supply only to them and not to anyone else. Now, after my investment, after I have done everything, and with that exclusivity and the period from November to October, my lords, where is the occasion, my lords, for getting
We'll
the...
decide, see, either we'll decide one way or other.
Please set
Your
it.
Lordship, we have to decide it.
Why this?
One reason is, every year, there will be either a spurt in demand or will be a fall in demand. 20% ethanol petrol blending is something which the government is now trying to experiment. So tomorrow, next year, October onwards, probably the demand will go up or it may go down. Therefore, that's why paragraph 6.8 of the agreement says, on best endeavor basis, we'll give you.
See, it is on the interpretation of 6.8.
The High Court is wrong in its interpretation.
6.7 and 6.2.
It's
These are
wrong.
the provisions we have
Yes,
to implement,
absolutely.
probably 6.1.
Yes.
Therefore, it's
So
a
these are
national
the provisions
policy,
we
you
have
have
to
to therefore
decide.
consider that.
So now we have to decide one way or other. See, there are only two options like this.
Because after October,
And it's
like we have to
October.
go for the next year. We need to have the matter decided before October.
So let
I
it
go
be
before the
decided
division
division
bench.
One way or
I
other,
go
we
before
decide
the
on
division
merit.
bench.
Yes, and here itself, no problem.
Wait, Lord. Issue notice, formal
Yes.
notice and the matter.
So and so takes notice and.
First week of
First week of reopening.
Reopening.
Yes,
Third week of it will be.
put it on Wednesday or Thursday. And in the meanwhile, there shall be an order of status quo.
Your Lordship.
But we'll file our representation. They may keep the representation pursuant to the High Court order. Your lordships may decide because 4 weeks is
All
given.
right.
We
We will
have
file
not
it.
done anything.
Anyway, they will sit on
However,
it, so
the
let them sit on it.
representation made with the petty respondent cannot be decided.
Very good. Grateful. Filed it.
You bring it, give the number.
There were 2 other SLPs, connected SLPs.
Give the numbers, as instead of give the numbers.
Grateful.
दोस्तों, माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एथेनॉल सप्लाई के मौजूदा मॉडल पर यथास्थिति बनाए रखने का आदेश दिया। सरकार और अटॉर्नी जनरल ने साफ कर दिया कि E20 ईंधन पूरी तरह सुरक्षित है और इसका भविष्य तय है। कोर्ट रूम की हर बड़ी और सच्ची कानूनी खबर को आसान भाषा में समझने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। जय हिंद दोस्तों।